Good morning, children. Today we are going to study chapter 15, Save Every Drop. Okay, children. Now, you all know, children, water is very, very important for us, isn't it? If we don't have water, if we don't drink water and we don't care for water, it will be very difficult for us. And even all animals, plants, humans, everybody, they need water. Okay, children? Now, all animals and plants need water. You know, children, everybody, they need water. Animals, plants, human beings. It is very precious. And because we cannot live without water, so it is very precious. We must do everything possible to save every drop of water for the future. And we should never waste water, children. So we should always save water for future. Okay. Now let us see how we can save water. Rohan uses a hose pipe to water the plants. Now, children, you have to use your hose pipe is the pipe which is very broad. Okay, so you should not use that pipe. You should use a thin pipe so the water is not wasted. Okay, when you water the plants, because children, if we put more water also in the plants will die. So we have to give proper amount of water to the plants. Okay, now we have to see who is doing right thing and who is not doing right things. Okay, and what we should do. Meenakshi uses a bucket of water to wash her clothes. Now, children, is this right? Yes. Bucket of water is okay. You can wash. Okay, you should not waste water. You should not open the tap and keep on washing your clothes, and the tap is open. Then what happens? The water gets wasted, isn't it? Now, Meenakshi uses a bowl of water to wash the vegetables. Now, children, when you bring vegetables from out, isn't it? You have to bring and you have to wash it. You cannot use the vegetable without washing it. Can you use? No, you cannot use that without washing. So you have to wash the vegetables. Okay, and when you wash the vegetables, you cannot wash it if you open the tap and you keep on washing. Again, you will be wasting the water, and if you waste the water, then you cannot save it for future, isn't it? So when you bring vegetables from out or you wash vegetables at home, you should wash it in a bowl. You can wash little by little. Okay, you can put little vegetables and then wash, then again put little vegetables in the bowl and wash the vegetables. Okay, children. Now, Yashika leaves the tap running while brushing her teeth. Now, children, Yashika, she is brushing her teeth and she has left the tap running. Okay, that means she has not closed the tap. Okay, and now if you keep on brushing your teeth and the tap is running, water will get wasted, isn't it? And sometimes you need water, sometimes water does, we don't have water supply also at times, so it will become very difficult for us to save water. And if we don't have water, children, we cannot survive without water. We cannot live without water. So you should always save water. So while you are brushing your teeth, you should never keep the tap running. When you brush your teeth, you should turn the tap off, and then you use the tap whenever you wash your mouth. Okay, children. Next, Rahat plays with friends while water tank on the roof of his house overflows. Now see, children, can you see? Here Rahat, he is a boy, Rahat and his friends, they are playing on the roof and water tank is overflowing, isn't it? Now what happens when water tank is overflowing? All the water, it will come on the floor, isn't it? And when it comes on the floor, what will happen? If you are playing on the floor, running on the floor, you will fall. You should never run where there is water. Okay, children? And especially on the top of the roof or on your terrace where you are playing, you have to be very careful. Now, children, you know water, they are used for different purposes, isn't it? Like like putting water in the plants. We use water for the plants, for washing clothes, isn't it? Then to wash vegetables, to brush teeth, okay, to take bath, isn't it? For many things, what water is used. But that doesn't know, means, children. That doesn't mean that we should waste water. We should never waste water. Okay, we should always save water. Okay. So, children, you read till here, and then if you have any difficulty, please ask the teacher. Thank you.